Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kim Maki. If you've been here before, then you already know what it is and what's up. And if it's your first time, come join the club, subscribe. Today's video is going to be a super easy, like this is one of the easiest hair installs, and you know what I'm saying, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, it's giving raw. But yes, this is a half wig install, easy, super easy. Anybody can feel like can do it. So if you like how this looks, if you want something affordable, easy, and versatile, I wouldn't say versatile, it's kind of versatile in a sense, but a really simple, quick wig install. Just keep watching. I hope you guys like it. Bye. Mwah.
And them a see this. Fuck among the girl in and them all a wanna like how we are this. Punches on it, coming from it. I rough like